what we need to do is, once there is pain, it's just the body telling you, okay, there's something going on here. Do you mind getting that checked out? And if you don't get that checked out, if you can continuously ignore it, then that can start to lead on to more chronic issues later on. And another thing is that pain can start to cause problem elsewhere, because now your body's decided to hide this pain somehow and compensated that by utilizing somewhere else. So quite commonly is when we start to have problems on our right side of our hip, for example, and then now we start walking a little bit funny to protect that. And then now we start using our left side of our lower back or our left knee to start, taking pressure off that side. So most of the time, just because there's absence of pain, it doesn't mean that there's nothing wrong there. There most likely is a dysfunction that we may need to address. So pretty much to answer the short question is, as soon as you feel any pain, you never know what it is, just get that checked out.